Today, I'm showing you how to repost someone else's Instagram story, even if you haven't been tagged in it. Let's get started. Important note: Instagram recently added the ability to repost any public story, not just ones you're tagged in. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version to access this feature. Step 1. Update Instagram. Before starting, open your device's App Store and check if Instagram has any available updates. Update to the newest version if needed. Step 2. Open Instagram. Open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 3. Find the story. Swipe right from your feed or tap a profile picture at the top to view stories. Browse through stories until you find one you want to repost. Note that you can only repost stories from public accounts or accounts that follow you back. Step 4. Access share options. While viewing the story you want to repost, look at the bottom of the screen. Tap the paper airplane icon or share button. This is the same icon you use to send direct messages. Step 5. Add to your story. In the share menu that appears, tap Add to Story. This is usually the first option at the top. Step 6. Customize your repost. Instagram will create a new story draft with the original story embedded. You'll see the story as a sticker on your story canvas. Here's what you can do. Resize. Tap and drag the story sticker to make it fill the whole screen, or make it smaller if you prefer. Reposition. Move the story sticker to different areas of your screen. Add text. Tap the AA icon to add your own caption or commentary about why you're sharing the story. Add stickers. Tap the sticker icon to add emojis, GIFs, polls, or other interactive elements. Change background. Tap the color palette to change the background color or add a photo from your camera roll as the background. Step 7. Post your story. Once you're happy with how your repost looks, tap Your Story at the bottom left to share it to your story. You can also tap Close Friends to share only with your close friends list, or tap Send to send it as a direct message to specific people. What happens after posting? The original creator will receive a notification that you've shared their story. This is automatic and helps creators see who's engaging with their content. How others view your repost. When your followers view your reposted story, they can tap anywhere on the screen to open the original story and see it in full. They can also visit the original creator's profile by tapping their username. Privacy note: you can only repost stories from public accounts or from accounts that follow you back and they've enabled story sharing. And that's it. You've successfully reposted an Instagram story and can share content you love.